Welcome to Lua English Dictionary. I'm Tony, and this is
Agina.
And today we're still learning about vowels from our last two videos.
Good. If you haven't checked our last two videos, I encourage that you go check them out. We shall pin them up around the video here. So Tony, today we are still continuing with the vowels. And the reason we are doing this is so that you can learn how to differentiate between reading in English and reading in Luo, okay?
Okay.
So now we start with the word H-A-W-I. How do you spell that word?
Howie.
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 Howie. That's good luck, okay?
Okay.
Then the next one?
Hema.
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 Hema. It's tent.
Okay.
Hera.
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 Hera. Is love.
Hera.
Hera.
Not Hera.
Hera.
Wait. Hera.
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 Then the next one?
Holo.
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 And what's holo?
Valley. Hono.
Correct. Say it again.
Hono.
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 What's that?
Miracle. Ido.
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 Ido. Bewitch. Ikor. Ikore.
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 What's the meaning?
Be ready.
Good. Next.
Fuyo.
What's the meaning?
Fly.
Say it again.
Fuyo.
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 Good. Next.
Imo.
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 What does emo mean?
Cover.
To cover.
And it's not E-M-O. It's I-M-O.
Like you can see on the spelling down here. Okay. Now these are 6-letter word.
Jagido.
Remember E is spelled E.
Jagedo.
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 And what's that?
Mason. Mason.
A mason.
A mason. What's that?
Jagedo.
Jagedo.
That's a mason. A mason is a person who builds houses.
Okay. Jagam.
Again.
Jagam.
And what's the meaning?
Go between. Jadir.
Again.
Jadir.
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 And what does Jadir mean?
Neighbor.
Good. Next.
Jakido.
E.
Jakedo.
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 Don't forget. I can see most of the time you're doing E and E. You're confusing the two. So Jakedo is a what?
Soldier.
Good. A soldier. And then
Jaro.
Jaro. What is Jaro?
Disregard.
Say Jaro.
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 Next.
Jog.
There's an I.
Oh. That's an I.
This is an I. So
Jogi.
joggy.
Jogi.
Joggy.
Jogi.
What does that mean?
These people.
These people. Then
Juso.
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 What is Juso?
Old dance.
It's an old dance. Next.
Joey.
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 And what's Joey?
A buffalo.
A buffalo. Correct.
Kaka.
Again.
Kaka.
Again.
Kaka.
And what that does mean?
How.
How. Next.
Casor. Casore.
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 And what does casore mean?
Be in a rush.
Be in a rush, correct. Next.
Kidi.
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 What does that mean?
Stone.
A stone, correct. Next.
Kulo.
Mm-hmm.
Bow the head.
Say that again.
Kulo.
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 Then the next one is?
Kun.
Remember, this is e.
Kune.
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 Don't. You know, in English, you don't pronounce the e. You just say kun. But in Luo, you have to pronounce everything. Okay. So you say kune.
Kune.
And what does kune mean?
Where?
Where. Next.
Lack.
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 What does a lack mean?
Tooth. We are.
Tooth, correct.
We reviewed that in the last video.
We did?
Yeah. Lawo.
Uh-huh. What does lawo mean?
Chase.
Say it again.
Lawo.
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 Good. Next.
Lemo.
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 And lemo means?
Pray.
Pray, correct. And next?
Liet.
Again?
Liet.
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 And what's liet?
Warmth.
Next?
Lolo.
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 What does lolo mean?
Drink non-stop.
To drink non-stop. Like if you have a large bottle of water and you're drinking it non-stop without giving a break, they say lolo. Okay?
Lolo.
Then the next one?
Loca.
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 And what does loca mean?
Across.
Across. Then the next one?
Lowo.
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 And what does lowo mean?
Sail. Soil.
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 And the last one?
Loom.
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 What does loom mean?
Grass.
Grass. Good. So clearly I want you to read all of them. You'll read them twice each. Let's go.
Howie.
Mm-hmm.
Good luck.
You have to say it like Howie. Howie. Good luck.
Howie. Howie. Good luck.
Then secondly?
Hema. Hema. Tent.
Then next?
Hera. Is it?
Yeah.
Hera. Hera. Love. Holo. Holo. Valley. Hono. Hono. Miracle. Ido. Ido. Bewitch. Ikore. Ikore. Be ready. Fuyo. Fuyo. Fly. Imo. Imo. Cover. Jagido. Mason. Jagedo. Mason. Jagedo. Mason. Jagam. Go between.
You didn't say it twice.
Jagam. Go between.
And you're talking to yourself. Remember, you're talking to all the world. So talk clearly and loudly.
Jadir. Neighbor. Jadir. Labor.
Neighbor.
Neighbor.
Okay.
Jakido. Jakedo. Soldier. Jakedo. Soldier. Jaro. Jaro. Disregard. Jogi. Jogi. These people. Juso. Juso. Old dance. Joey. Joey. Buffalo. Kaka. Kaka. How? Casor. Casor.
No. Ka-so-re.
Casore. Casore. Be in a rush. Kidi. Kidi. Stone. Kulo. Kulo. Bow the head. Kune. Kune. where, lack, lack, tooth, lawo,
So they can see you.
lawo.
You didn't say that clearly. Say it again. 24.
Lawo, lawo, chase.
Correct.
Lemo, 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 pray.
Lemo.
Lemo,
Lemo.
lemo.
Okay. Next.
Liet, liet, warmth. Lolo, lolo, drink non-stop. Loca, loca, across. Lowo, lowo, soil. Loom, loom, grass.
That's amazing. So you will notice that he is reading it, but sometimes he reads it in English, which is still okay because this is our third day in the show, and we shall be able to correct all that in the future. Can you finish up the video?
Remember to subscribe and make sure you look at our new videos, which we still need videos. Anyways, Oriti, goodbye.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow.